In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make contract on Pandadoc. We're going to walk through the full process of turning an existing contract file into a Pandadoc document that you can send out for e-signature. I'll go slowly and explain what each step is doing so you feel confident using this workflow on your own. First, once you're logged into your Pandadoc account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on New Document. This is where everything starts. Anytime you want to create something in Pandadoc, whether it's a proposal, an agreement, or in this case a contract, you'll begin from this button. After you click it, Pandadoc will give you a few options. Here, you want to bring in an existing contract file that you've already prepared, so choose Select File. This will open up your file browser. Find your contract on your computer or in your connected storage, like a PDF or Word document, and select it. Pandadoc will upload the file and convert it into a document you can work with. Once the file is uploaded, the next step is to tell Pandadoc who needs to sign. Look for the Add Recipients section. Here, you'll add the people who will interact with this contract. Type in the email addresses of your signers, and if needed, you can also give them roles, like client or internal signer, to keep things organized. When you're done adding everyone, click Continue. This connects each future field on the document with the right person. Now you'll see your contract on the screen, along with a panel on the right-hand side that contains different fields. From that panel, drag a signature field onto the document and place it where you want the signer to sign. You can adjust the size and position so it lines up neatly with your signature line. If you have multiple recipients, make sure each signature field is assigned to the correct signer in the settings for that field. When you're happy with the placement, click Review and Send. On this screen, give your document a clear name. This is just for organization inside Pandadoc, so choose something that makes sense, like the client's name and the contract type. Click Continue again. You'll now see the email that will be sent to your recipients. Type in your own email details if prompted, review the message, and when everything looks right, click Send Document. Your contract is now on its way for secure electronic signature through Pandadoc.